In front of me is HONOR Magic V3, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck and get free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then, thanks to it, learn all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!